Hello guys, this is Gamma. Today I'm back to AI versus AI contest. Not exactly, because in this case it's just a small script that I did. Small, not that small. At least it was uh, pretty demanding to achieve the current state. But it's a script to allow us to plot data, which I will need for my main project, which is AI versus AI contest. So let's go straight to it. This is just a demo. I won't be showing any stuff actually related to AI in this case. So it is just the plotting script. So what we can see, we have in this case three graphs. Um, the amount of graphs, the number of graphs that we want to show is currently possible to specify. You can specify the amount of data points that you want to show. For example, in this case, I have 8 data points here, presumably to show 8 units. Also, in this graph, I'm showing an average of each unit, which would correspond to the coverage, in this case, of the whole group, if we take notice of the average. This is a kind of data that is presented as a percentage. That's also specifiable and customizable. In this case, I'm showing here another graph with double the data points, but in which I'm showing a different scale. All of this is customizable. The labels for each thing, the units, the max and minimum values of these graphs, also the size of the graph, the spacing between these data points. This is mainly what is done in regards to this script. The script is currently just randomizing data, so it's in demo mode. Those are all of them are random numbers, so it has no correlation with what we should see or the title of the graphics. Another thing that we can already do is specify different positionings for the data. For example, in this case, I'm setting it to middle screen, more or less. We can also change the size of the graphs. This is the zoom, in this case half size. This only affects the graphs themselves, not the dialog box where this is being shown. Of course, this is the kind of parameter we must take care, because currently the text is not being sized accordingly, so there might be some issues. So I would recommend for now using default values. This is a minor parameter. We shouldn't change this, but this variable is exposed because it might be useful depending on the island that you are using. So I'm going to change this. There's still some small bugs, but that's it. This is the latest script that I did. Hopefully this will help me and others to analyze AI and better optimize our mods. That's it for today. Thank you guys. See you the next time.